Hello guys, welcome to Educate Andhra. Myself is Prabhakar. In the Databricks series, we are going to learn how to implement the aggregation with a group by function. So here the requirement is right. So there is a orders table which contains order ID, customer ID, status and so on methods. So we need to calculate the total number of orders. That is one thing. On top of that, the total number of orders should be based on the status wise. Let's say how many orders on the delivered, how many orders for pending, how many orders for cancelled. Along with that, we need to use distinct customer IDs for each and every order. So that's a requirement. Let's see how to solve this problem. So here we have a orders df. So first we use agg function, okay, to count the number of orders from the orders df dot order underscore id. So here we are using the count function, right? We have to import that from SQL functions import count. Okay, so let's apply dot show here. Okay, let me execute. So this should show us the total number of orders. That should be a 20. Let's see, it will take a few seconds to read the data and to display the data in the notebook. So count, right? The count here will take the order ID column from the orders table and it will count how many number of orders are available in the table. So here, right, 20 orders are available. So which is the overall orders, but we need the total orders based on the status column. So for that, use groupBy. Then we have to process the groupBy column, which is orders underscore df dot status column. Now let me execute the code again. So this time it will provide total orders based on order status, which is pending, cancelled and delivered. See, out of 20, delivered are 13 orders, pending are 4 orders, cancelled are 3 orders. Okay, let me provide a meaningful name here by using the dot alias total orders. Okay, let me execute the code again. So the column name is renamed to total orders. So this is the second requirement. The third requirement, right, we have to find the distinct customers for each and every status. How many customers received the delivered orders, how many customers have the order still in pending state, and how many are cancelled. So let me add one more aggregation, which is count underscore distinct. Okay, since it is a function, we have to import that count underscore distinct. So let's provide orders underscore df dot customer underscore id, and also we are providing a meaningful name or alias name for this one as well. So let's see, we close this one. Let me execute the code. We have to close single quotes here. Now let's see what is the output. See, status wise total number of orders and total number of unique customers. So that's how using the groupBy we can perform the aggregation. One aggregations are different aggregation. One is a count, other one is a count distinct on two different columns. That's all it from this video, guys. Thanks for watching this video.